Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to take you with me for our RV rental pickup, guys. So we just had this one go out on rvshare on Sunday, and now today is Friday. So guys, that money is in the bank already, but we got to go pick it up. This is the hard part. Pickup is easy. You want to do a thorough walkthrough, but I'm going to take you guys with me and show you everything I look for. So stay tuned for. All right, Max Your Journey Tribe. So we are in the RV rental. Check it out. Look how crazy they left my camper. Check it out. You see this right here? This is what you call a great renter. Coffee pot is out. Minimum stuff to clean. They didn't leave a mess in the fridge. Sometimes you get lucky like this, guys, and this time I did. So what I do now is I go around, check out other stuff. You have several days to actually check out your RV once you get it back from one of these platforms, guys. So there isn't really a rush, but you do want to get it back to the renter if there's something wrong, so they don't think that you're doing something crazy, right? So let's check it out. I start in the bunkhouse. They did not have any kids. I'm just looking for any damages or holes. So that'd be quick, right, guys? They didn't use these mats at all. So as you see, everything's how I left it. I'll check the cabinets to make sure they didn't leave any personal items that they might call me about. And I make my way out of there. Here, sometimes they might leave food. So you want to just check your pantries, because even though you didn't have the food, they could leave something that might spoil. The bathroom is always going to get used, but long as it isn't really disgusting, right, guys? Even the toilet, guys, check it out. I'm sorry, but it isn't crazy. RV toilet paper's there. They got some stuff here for cleaning. They didn't go crazy with that, so that is good. No damages, no broken glass, anything like that. You always want to check those fine areas. Now, this renter did have a pet, so with the pet, I will be looking for like scratch marks, claw marks along the base of anything, maybe the screen, but their pet was so good, so little, I don't expect anything, guys. So going through here, I don't see any real damage. They did leave the keys, which is great. I told them they can use anything in here, paper plates, cups, all that stuff. This is going to be a quick cleanup, and there's a turnaround tomorrow, guys. So not much work has to be done here. But let's check out the outside. So out here, I'm checking for the grill, any damages, anything that they might have broke or left, any water damage from the rain. There's none. Any food in the outside kitchen, guys. They even cleaned the black stone griddle. So here, I just want to dump the tanks, get them all set up, and back flush them. Other than that, I'll be hooking up and pulling out. You can see they left the site nice and clean. Hey guys, so I do that full walkthrough, and then I even noticed this. Look, check it out. They got the gauge on the black tank reading 0. Man, if you RV, you know how hard that is. You gotta back flush it, or you gotta get lucky. I don't know which one they did, but guys, I walk around, and then I tow the unit back to my house, and that's where I get it cleaned up. I keep my supplies there. Unless I have a same day turnaround, unless I really want to use the AC at the campground and hook up, get all my cleaning done. But they did such a great job on this one, guys. I don't have much to do. So that was a $1,000 rental. It's going out, and then in 2 more days, the same unit goes out for another $1,000, guys. Profit. Gross is way more than that, but profit, guys. So it isn't all horror stories, but I do have some of those for you. So stay tuned, smash that subscribe button, and hit that thumbs up and notification bell, guys. I really do appreciate it. Check us out on Instagram. All RV rentals are not terrible. Got you thinking about it now. I'll see you next time. Max Your Journey.